here we are. Back again for a little more long form video. I think the first one went okay, but I feel like the voice was a little low, so I'm trying the voice focus setting on this Ace Pro 2 that I use, and we'll see if that means you can't hear the bike or not, but we'll try it. I have plans to ride with all my old man buddies, and as you can see, they're nowhere to be found, so I'm just going to mess about on my own and hope somebody shows up at some point. Anyway, for this moment, I'm just going to take a run through the garbage hole, which I had on my first video there, and then I might check the camera to see how things record. I also forgot my normal riding gloves. I'm pretty particular about my gloves. I hate when hapses don't close well, and these Fox gloves have possibly the worst, hook and loop on the planet Earth. I can't stand these gloves, but I forgot my my S3 gloves, and so I'm stuck wearing these things today. All right, let's start the bike. See, already, look, just like that, it's popped open. Now it's loose. It's gonna ruin my ride. All right, I also tend to curse a lot. I'm gonna try not to. Not cursing. Oh, and I'm down already. Didn't even start the ride, and look at that. All right, I found some other old men. Back into the side hill. Ah! Garbage hole, take two. Whew. How did I hit neutral? See, it's slippery in here. Oh my gosh! Daryl just threw a boulder at me. My forearms are like seized up already. We lost Neil. Okay. Into Rocky Horror. Daryl takes the cheat line. Wow, you guys are getting old and weak. Can't believe that. I'm actually crushed. I think he might have even kind of been the one who lectured people without even attempting a cheat line through there. Holy cow. All right. Now, generally, I don't even try and maintain the same pace as Daryl because I can't. I'll wear myself out so quick. Okay, inside line for me here. There we go. Oh, I hate these gloves. They're too sticky. I'm seeing stars.
I got arm pump bad right now.
Me too, I'm seized. Oh, this is just so relentless. Tree being down. They get cut there off, so I'm surprised. Okay, apparently the consensus is to move this right now. I feel like just, you know, using a trail saw or something might be sufficient, but why make it easy when you can make it incredibly difficult?
Tell me when.
That's still rooted, gentlemen.
Yep. No, I thought we were just determining. Oh, I'm sort of holding it. So, climb it.
Yeah.
Colin, you climb it. Here, hold my hand. Climb it.
Yeah. All right, here's the new line again.
Too bad the old rock wasn't there to slow you down. You'd be fine. Rock, look at the rock.
Yeah, but you're shooting yourself into the
Who
forest.
fucking cares?
Because
There's nothing up there.
are you first gear or second gear?
I did it second. And it was the...
You didn't even do it though.
You didn't see that?
You got over it, but you didn't succeed.
I fucking right side did. Neil said I was Why'd you let off? You had it. You were golden.
I got a mental block on this today.
Okay. It's not for everybody.
What's that?
It's not for everybody.
Fuck off. Ah! Sorry about your bike, Neil. Oh my God, I'm going home. I hate this ride. All right, that was a 40-minute mess around at the Log of Doom. Yeah, someone usually hooks a hook tag on a little branch thing here. Let's see how that goes today. Oh, there. Oh, it looks like someone cut it down. Nice. Okay. Oh. Ew. Oh. It's a bit of a really nice spot. My, oh my, the rocks! Yeah, Darryl just described this as clumsy terrain, and I think that's the apt description. It's just difficult to kind of do it without feeling clumsy on the bike. So much like rock. He stalled, I stalled.
I'm having the same issue as last. I just feel clumsy as fuck.
Yeah.
I don't know what it is, man.
I feel the same way, like I'm just not,
I got no, like...
no flow.
Yeah.
Whew. Seems like we're all feeling a little bit shitty on the bike here. Which isn't ideal for this kind of terrain. Tire is holding here so far, which is nice. And for me, I prefer, this is the way Daryl does this trail all the time, but I prefer it the opposite direction, because down here there's a, call it like the rock face of doom, and coming the other way, for me it's way easier to get around this way. It's really hard for me. Talk about here. First off, you gotta drop down this ledge. It's so awkward to get around this spot. Way easier the other direction. So I like to go wide. And then hope I don't slip on that. And hope I don't hit my handguard and end up in that bowl right there. And then once you pass that, you still gotta contend with this drop-in point, which is okay. Now we're doing a little bypass to Showtime Hill. So yeah, to get here with this little detour. And this is why we call it Showtime. I messed up and here we are. Now I gotta find a way back down. It's pretty steep. Okay, that didn't work. Oh my. I'm trying to get this bike to turn, but Lord. There we go. This is so steep. All right, now I'm good. Ah! Okay, that was unsuccessful. Take two on this hill. That's how it's done. There we go. More throttle, solution to life. Where did Daryl go? Where's Daryl? There he is. Woo! Nice. Here, this trail is a pylon at the start, so I call it a pylon trail. I just shot the bike off into outer space. Bike, it's got that cherry mix. Disgusting.
This is the kind of balance I'm working with. Might rebate.
Oh my god.
What am I doing?
Oh my god. I can't believe he just did that.
Your turn.
Okay, so Daryl just did a pretty wild line there. I don't think I have a quarter of the skills to do that, but I'm not going to find out either. The regular line here is plenty hard for me. Not very clean, but through. Right, the needle here. Just a few rocks here. My god, I'm like all over the place here. Yeah, like look at that. I do not know what's going on with me. Holy cow. Sloppy. Man, I just drove my bike like
I saw that.
40 different directions.
I saw you like almost whiskey off into the bucket there.
Right behind Daryl on the tail. Well, I was hoping to stay close to him, but once again, I'm all fucked. I'm all janky. Like, this is an old trials kind of pit, long since abandoned. This trail we're going into now, as I understand it, is called Helena. And I was here by myself, so messing around, and I stopped, set up the camera, and my god, it's just tough. And I got attacked by the cranky wasp all over my right forearm. So I don't know if we're going to do the main line here or I'll skip it because I don't much feel like it. Stung again, and I'm liable to mess up. have to stop on the main line. You lose your momentum in this. It just becomes near impossible to keep going. Okay, here's the crossroads where we make a decision. You going the main line or?
Oh, we better wait till this guy's done, huh?
Can I check and see if the Hornets are there?
Whatever you want, man.
Hell on earth, you can see it's hard on gear in here. This could be mine. I have no idea if that's my skid plate, but there was a hornet's nest right there. And they don't seem to be active right now. It's a tough fucking spot here. Tough spot here. Oh my. That was teasing me because I'm concerned about the wasps. And I hope he doesn't disturb them enough to for my go. Oh shit! I can't even get to the line. Unbelievable today.
You can blame the wasps.
I was thinking I was doing so good motorcycling these days.
It must have been the wasps got you.
It's the
I
wasps.
saw one on him. I gave him a push.
Ah,
Trying to get straight on here.
my balance is just shot. Oh yeah, right up there like it's nothing. There we go. Now this line here, I tend to go straight across, which I'm gonna do. Daryl will say I cheated, but up is up. He doesn't even have to know. My God, man!
You made it. You're here.
Oh, and Will's not taking the street line, so. Okay, all three of us are relatively unscathed from hell on earth. I had a little fall at the bottom, but my low speed balance is not the greatest, so. But my stop balance, I guess. Well, that happens to me occasionally in the hard stuff, or maybe more than occasionally, constantly. Whew. And today I'm feeling particularly off balance for some reason. Oh, this is so relentless. Okay, he goes around this way. Whew. Okay. Whew. I might go up steep slopes. Oh, this is a bit painful. There we go. And now, this is when I'm too scared to come up And going down doesn't ever feel much better. Whew. Get my leg around. Oh Jesus! Around here, bike's going on its own, and wow! Okay, that's torn up. That's really torn up, eh? Oh my goodness! I gotta go over here. Ugh. Wowzers! Wow! Steep slopes. What's your plan? There's no plan. Look at this. Here I am not recording. Beast mode. Daryl just climbed that like it was nothing.
There we go. Starting to make some progress. Oh, my fucking hip. Jeez. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I'm swearing on your famous YouTube channel.
I got a subscriber, you know.
I think it was me. Oh, fuck. Now you're going to see me take fucking 10 minutes to get down here.
That's the problem with long form, is we see the actual stupidity of us all.
Yeah, exactly. Now I get to stretch on the other side. Can't even reach my fucking back brake. I'm not getting off this fucking bike though.
I don't blame you.
I'm not walking it. Yeah, something wrong.
He's good at, especially downhill shit, right?
Yeah.
Fucking blast.
Well, he's used to running without a motor.
Yeah.
No fucking.
Not a break. Lots of breaks today. Oh, we're not doing steep slopes 2.0. Okay, well. Took shit anyways lately. Oh, Daryl did do it. I did not realize. See, I cheated this. I go over here. Hey! Oh, yeah. Alright, this is a little bypass to a trail, little tombstone. So we're skipping like the beginning of it anyway. Wheels looking up, looking himself up the tombstone. He's thinking about it. There he goes. That's it. Oh shit. He goes over.
I smell burning rubber.
That's his brain cells.
Got a nice little whiff of burning rubber there. I love that. Like at the drag strip.
Yeah, see, this is the rough spot right there.
Yeah.
He's up. Ugh.
Got her, buddy. You know what to do.
Whoa.
What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that indeed?
They're calling you George of the Jungle.
My God, man. What's wrong with me today?
Tree. Little pole dance halfway up.
One hand.
Like, where's he going?
Good question. What happened there? I don't know. What's Neil's bad luck for me? I don't know what's wrong with me today. I think I just need to quit and go home. Not the cleanest, but oh my gosh. Wow.
Yeah.
Put a fork in me, I'm done.
Yeah.
From Tombstone, we keep going. That's gonna be a couple tries. Unfortunately, I didn't suck today. We're going too slow up there. There we go. Whew. This looks like nothing on camera, but it's a little top right there. I need to leave a little more distance so I don't have to stop to oh, trying to get fancy and fail. There we go. Oh, I think I'm gonna let a little distance here because boys are getting sloppy. Swap into second gear to make the bike less snappy. Okay. Maybe back to first. So sloppy. What's going on here now? A little bit here. God, what a sloppy ride. Wow. Okay, Neil is going on ahead here. Whoa. I had to fix my camera. But I will try and catch up. Yep. Brutal ride for me. I think my bike was down 6 times. Oh, it stops. Sometimes I find like point and shoot easier than trying to keep calculated, but maybe not today because I was on the bridge. Yeah, see, for me, I just feel like if I just bang that, it goes easier than trying to stop and think about it. Alright, into the garbage hole backwards. Whew. There we go. Oh, it's so slippery here. So easy to. I got a tent over there, but it's just an old window. So it's getting low in the sky. And I'm in neutral. What's going on? Pop up. Maybe the garbage hole ate Neil. Another victim of the garbage hole. Oh, I hear a bike. Something nest required in here. Whoa, I almost fell again. Oh my god. Speaking of no finesse. There. That needle. Pop up over there. And I'm almost going free. There we go. Whew.